All right, traders, another monthly breakdown on our prop firm automation accounts. We had another successful month in the month of June. And last week, we went on a win streak of 13 out of 13 trades that we took. We have made some serious updates to our community. So once you guys do join, you guys will be able to have exclusive access to our group. Come and join us. We have helped hundreds of members, and we have so many active traders in our group right now. You'll be assigned a trading manager, be able to access our group chat. And then our group chat will lead you to our Telegram group, in which we also do some education and also have some live conferences as well. This past month, we had so many members get payouts from different prop firms. You can see one from Funding Pips just last week for 5 figures, and then some other payouts this month for $22,000 from FTMO, and then some other payouts as well. It's just been nonstop consistent payouts from our members, and this one is from Funded Next. If I go to our automation account, this is our backend dashboard in which you will also have access to. And if you see, just in the month of June, this member has been able to get 5 different payouts, one from Effectify, E8 Markets, FTMO, Funding Pips, Alpha Capital, 5 different prop firms with over 5 figures on all of the accounts. This member started with us back in July, and since July, he has been able to scale 2 prop firm accounts. Now he's funded across 5 different prop firms with over 7 figures, and he's not the only one. We have many members who are now 7-figure prop firm traders. Going to our monthly results, here is our prop firm automation 200K account copier. And you could just see how much the account has grown. We haven't blown in any account since July 2025. We've never been in any kind of serious drawdown over the course of 1 year. So we are heading to 1 year at the end of this month. And so far for our account management, on this 200K account copier, we have done 224% growth rate. So if I pull up my phone right now, account balance is going to be exactly the same, $672,840.62. And it will be exactly the same as my desktop, $672,840.62. And if I go to the history, so this is going to probably be for the past 6 months. I am not sharing a screenshot. This is actually active trading on my phone. So if I go to it, you're going to be able to see that the numbers are moving. So here's gold right now, $4,010.32. It's moving back and forth. If I go into the gold chart, that is exactly where it's at on my trading view. You can see the balance. It's going to be exactly the same, almost the same, depending on the broker and the spreads. Just to show you guys that this is an active account, I will place a small little trade on this account just to show you guys. I'll put a 0.01 lot on gold and just show you guys that it's actively trading. So if I put this, you can see 0.01, it just triggered. So it should be moving. Here it is, minus 39 cents. And it will be exactly the same as my desktop as well. If I go into it right now, you can see that it's actively trading right there, minus 47 cents. I'll pull up my phone, show you guys that it's exactly the same. So it should be moving in sequence along with my phone. So it is not a screenshot. I am just mirroring my iPhone onto the screens so that you guys can have a better idea. Right now, I was to close this trade since I showed you guys. So I closed position. So I'm gonna close it. So there it went. Trade closed. And then here we have these trades right here. So last trade, 25 cents. If I go to history, then it will be 25 cents as well right there. Now I'm going to go to the monthly breakdown from our automation accounts. Right now, gold seems to be barely hanging on to this 4,000 level. I believe if it breaks, we're headed lower, probably to about 3,500. But let's see if this level of support can actually hold on gold. Here is the prop firm automation 200K account. So this past month, we did $44,000. In 6 months, we did $250,000. And then exactly 1 year, it hasn't even been 1 year yet, but we have done $472,000 in total profit. Last week, we had an amazing trading week to close out the month of June. Our max stop loss per day is 1.5%. We never risk more than that. This is how the account has grown so consistently. We never get greedy on the accounts. We are all about risk management. The previous week was from the 22nd of June to the 26th. We had a phenomenal trading week. Even the week before, we had a good trading week as well. But last week was even more exceptional. So from the 22nd, we ended up winning every single trade. 750, 1296, non-stop wins to close out in a strong way for the month. yesterday was the 30th. We ended up taking this loss on euro dollar. So we ended up closing that. That is about 0.5% on a 200K account. So overall profits for the month is $44,000. We also started the month off strong. So in the beginning of the month, we had these wins. So the first trading day was the 2nd. So we had these wins. We ended up losing 1% right there. You can see that we lost 1% on a 200K account, had some more wins, made up for that loss right there. Even during the middle of the month, we had all these wins, 2,260. I showed you guys our biggest loss was about 1%. And then here was a loss right there on euro dollar for about 0.5%, but we never hit over 1% in a drawdown this month. So here was another loss on gold for 1,500. Then it was just been smooth sailing. So bringing our total profits to $44,000. It was a great month this month. The past 3 months, we've done over 6 figures in total profits. It is going to be exactly the same as my desktop. If I go to the past month right there, $44,125. So about 20% on a 200K account. Now, our prop firm automation service is a service in which we take the challenge for you, get you funded, and continue to trade the account for as long as you want. You guys can choose any prop firm, whether it's Funding Pips, Blueberry Markets. All of our members are using most of the prop firms on propfirmmatch.com. However, do note that the minimum account that we automate is 100,000 and above. So you can do 100,000, you can do 200,000, you can even do 300,000, but it has to be $100,000 and above. And the best thing about our prop firm automation service is that it comes with all of our EAs. Everything is free. It is all inclusive. So you guys can even use it on different prop firms or on your own personal accounts. A lot of our members are using our Gold bot and our FX Glide bot on their own live brokerage accounts, making even more additional passive income. So all of these EAs are inclusive and all free, included in the package. So that is a monthly breakdown, another 20% for our automation accounts. I'll show you guys just how consistent we have been. The biggest losses, you can see right there, 72.96, 71.93. Another day right there, 88.3 to 87.5. We never chase any of the losing trades. We are just consistent, 1 to 3 trades per day. And that is how we're able to scale these accounts like this, 177 to 175.92. So you can see right there, another losing day right there, 201.2 to 199.8. So the most we have ever lost was about 1.5% on any given day. And this is how we are able to manage these accounts. And come join our community. We also guide members on how to trade and be consistent traders. So if you guys are looking for a community, make sure you guys join us. Go to our YouTube channel. We make weekly update videos on our automation accounts along with monthly updates. We do weekly updates on our EAs as well. So make sure you guys check that out. Drop us a like. Hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started and become a successful prop firm trader.